Welcome my beautiful friends to Florida Kitchen. It's been raining a lot and we live right next to a lake and close to the marina. And you know what? When it rains a lot over here in Florida, we get a lot of crabs, and these are blue crabs. And actually, oh my gosh, that's how they look like. And there's a lot more going out there. So actually we were searching for more crabs around. So, oh my, we got some more? All right, so we're searching for more crabs out there, and it seems like they might be under the car, but that's how they look like, guys. We might do a soup. Oh, look at those, look at those. Wow. They're telling me to close the door because there's a lot of mosquitoes outside because of the rain, so let's go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh, there are more crabs under the car. Right there, right there. Do you see it? Do you see it? We have to be careful though, because they're super fast. Oh my gosh. Dad has been wanting some crab soup, and his heart has been... Oh my goodness. That's a big one. Be careful. Mom grew up on a farm, so this is nothing for her. Oh gosh. Wow, that's already a lot of crabs. And they keep on getting some more. Wow, poor crabs. I kind of feel bad for them, but they're so delicious, aren't they? They want, oh, there's a really big one right there. Look at those claws. If they get you, my goodness, we found more crabs. There's a lot of crabs. Wow. Guys, there's another one right here. Oh my god. There's so many crabs coming out from left to right from outside because of so much rain. Kind of feel so bad for them. Oh my. And wow, this is crazy. All right, we're taking off some of those crabs. Oh my, one is loose, Mom. One is loose, they're getting out. Right, we're removing those claws. Oh my gosh. Oh, Mom, be careful. Wow, Mom, you took away the claws of many. Mm-hmm. But we're gonna use a tool, right? Be careful. So it's been an ordeal trying to cut the claws from the crabs. Mom, that's still moving. You have to be careful. So she's washing them. How is that you wash them? Just with water? Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh. Wow. You have to open. Okay, you have to wash it like this. And what is that you're removing?
Like this, like
wow.
This, like this. You have to wash.
Wow,
I think
that is crazy. Those are all the nice claws right there. Wow.
Look how to.
Okay, let's see the process. Goodness, I kind of feel bad for it. Wow.
Look. You have to wash it.
Wow. Oh, there's another one that you catched? Oh my gosh. You're going to remove the claws already? Look at how he removes.
I remember how Uncle John did. Look at that.
Wow, be careful.
Uncle John.
Oh, wow. Poor fellow. Oh, I wonder if it's... Oh, my gosh. But they're so delicious.
It's not clean? Okay, I'll put you.
Wow. So I noticed, Mom, that when you clean it inside, there's a lot of dust, right? Because they eat a lot of dirt. Or they eat a lot of, you know, what's in the ground.
Exactly.
Oh, so you see there's that, all of that dark particle is the dirt. So that's how you clean it. And Uncle John showed us how to clean, right? These are the blue crabs.
I remember.
You remembered, right?
Yeah, I
Wow,
remember.
look at all that dirt.
All of the dirt.
And then we're gonna make this in a soup, crab soup. Wow, that sounds
With
delicious.
cilantro.
With cilantro and tomatoes?
And tomatoes and onions and green pepper.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Look, a lot of dirt.
A lot of dirt, right? Look at all these other ones right here. Kind of feel bad for the poor fellows.
I'm not feeling bad.
My mom is like, I'm just hungry.
I'm going to eat my soup.
Wow, you're gonna eat your crab soup, right? Wow,
Look,
nice.
Look how to clean.
Yeah, so you remove all of
You have to take off every...
all the dark things, right? All the dark things
¿Cómo se dice
inside.
la caparazón?
Like the shell. You have to remove the shell.
Ajá.
All
Look.
right. Wow.
Look.
And that's, wow. Guys, this week, actually when it rains a lot, they come just right in front of your door. You don't even have to do so much. And it usually comes when there's a lot of rain or flooding. Wow. That's the advantage of living next to the water, right, Mom? Wow, look at those beautiful claws, guys. Nice claws. That's where the meat is at. Wow. This is amazing. And now we're just putting the water, right? To start to a boil. And as you could see, there's all of those crabs. Oh my, they're no longer alive. But we're putting the pot to boil. All right, so we put this pot to start heating up. We're gonna boil some water. So we're using, actually about half of it. All right, then the water is boiling right now, dear friends. And so Mom is gonna be cutting a tomato, right? And some green pepper and some cilantro to put into the boiling pot of water, right? So you're gonna need about a medium-sized tomato. Gonna be cutting it like that. And look, we got more, actually we got more claws. There's a lot of crabs outside. Oh my gosh. It's amazing.
But you have to put onion too.
You also have to put onions, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is going to give flavor to that water?
Yeah. You have to cut the onions.
Okay. And what, like, what quantity of onions?
Any quantity.
Like a medium-sized onion?
Any
Okay.
quantity.
So we're gonna be cutting half a green pepper and be putting that into the boiling water.
I wash already with soap.
You washed with soap. All right, so I thought you were just using that half of that green pepper, but actually you're using a small amount of green pepper. Gonna be using all of that green pepper, right? Will you be using all of that onion?
No.
Just half of that?
Too big.
Oh, it's too big, right? That's a little larger. So we'll be cutting that. Beautiful. Awesome. So we put the rest of that inside. Oh wow.
Already wash.
You already washed those.
Yes.
So you're adding all of those crabs. So you're not only adding the claws, but you're also adding the rest of those crabs.
Because I wash.
But I loved how you washed it so thoroughly inside. Wow. So many people believe that these ones don't really have any meat on it, right?
Yeah.
But you think that they have some meat, right? So might as well take advantage of it. Wow, that's a lot. Makes flavor. Oh, I see. So that's why you're using it for flavor. Okay. It does. It does have a lot of flavor.
We have to put more water to cover.
Okay, so you have to cover it with more water because that's a lot. So now we're going to be cutting the claws, right? Before adding them. Wow, it's a lot of noise right there. And then we're adding those claws inside. That's where all the meat is.
For all of it.
For all of the claws. So why is that you hit the claws? Why did you hit it?
Para para que salga la sustancia.
So that the substance comes out. Okay. All right. So we added the rest of the claws, and we're gonna be adding some salt to it,
And cilantro.
and we're gonna be adding some cilantro. So a bunch of cilantro. Wow! Look at all of that crab soup. It's finished at last, and it smells amazing with all of those tomatoes and cilantro. Oh my goodness! It's been after like about let's see, 45 minutes to an hour, I think, that we've had it boiling, and those delicious flavors of tomatoes, and then you pour some lemon on it, and it's, oh my gosh, so healthy and amazing. All right, guys, so that's how you catch it. That's how you make it at Florida Kitchen. Subscribe, like, and comment, and see you guys later.